What do you believe about miracles?
Well, the greatest miracle is this, that Jesus rose from the dead.
Yep.
Okay? And because he rose from the dead, the resurrection of Jesus authenticates everything that he said and everything that he did.
Okay.
Now, that's the most important thing. People often say, well, what about other religions? What about other philosophies? And I'm like, well, what about them? You know, what about them? Listen, if you're walking down a street and you get to the end of the street and it branches into two and you don't know which way to go, there are two men lying there. One's dead, one's alive. Which one would you ask for directions? The reason I'm a Christian is because Jesus Christ is alive.
Yes.